And just like that, another FTMO passed. Just like that, guys. Look at that. Another FTMO passed. Another FTMO passed. Ish, I was going to show you guys my my name, but it's still not verified, so it will be it will show like a demo, but it's another FTMO. This is the first one this month, right? This is the first one in the month of June. Look at that, guys. Catching lows and highs is still the same. I don't know why people are still okay. I will tell you this. I'll need to deal a lot with a psychology for everybody, because I've messed up a lot of my trading things because of because of psychology. Psychology is the most important thing when you're trading. You see, I've caught the low of the day right there. It's simple and straightforward. I've caught the low, and I still use the same principles I teach, man. Nothing's changed. I'm still catching lows and highs. So now also I'm going to be trading FTMOs with everyone who is in my group, and you want to be like, if you're my mentee or whatever, you want to be trading FTMO, guys. The FTMO is the future, man. I'm feeling like funded accounts, they bring a lot of freedom, a lot of capacity for you to trade and make money as a trader, right? So I'm going to be opening it up for everybody who is my mentee and wants to trade FTMO. You just fund your account and then you let me know on my WhatsApp number. You guys have got my WhatsApp number. Visit my website www.forexrockstar01.com, and it's that simple. You will see what we have there, and I think my number is there on the website, right? Something must take you. There's a link for my WhatsApp. It will take you directly to my thing. So that's how we do it. God bless everybody. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed.